After the European Union threatens of legal action against UK over its Northern Ireland Protocol bill, the country's Foreign Secretary reiterated its stand, claiming that the proposed bill, which overrides some of the post-Brexit trade rules for Northern Ireland, is well within the framework of international laws.
What is so important is we restore the Belfast Good Friday Agreement, we restore power sharing in Northern Ireland, and that is the priority of the UK government. We're doing this in a way that protects the EU single market, that makes sure they receive information about what goods are crossing the Irish Sea. So we are maintaining the core principles of what we're doing, and we are acting within international law.
Britain's plans has brewed up a storm in the region. European Commission Vice President Maros Sefcovic made it clear that the European Union will not renegotiate the Northern Ireland Protocol agreement.
Unilateral action is damaging to mutual trust. The Commission will now assess the UK draft legislation. In particular, the protocol provides business operators in Northern Ireland with access to the EU single market for goods. The UK government's approach puts this access and related opportunities at risk.
Germany was quick to follow European Commission's footsteps in condemning the UK's unilateral decision. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz says that he found Britain's unjustified decision to float a law that would scrap checks on goods moving between Britain and Northern Ireland regrettable. He further added that the European Union will be unified in its reaction.
Das ist eine sehr bedauerliche Entscheidung, die die britische Regierung dort getroffen hat. Sie ist eine Abkehr von all den Vereinbarungen, die wir zwischen der Europäischen Union und Großbritannien getroffen haben. Und es gibt auch keinen Anlass dafür, denn die Europäische Kommission hat sehr viele, sehr pragmatische Vorschläge gemacht, wie man ein gutes Miteinander organisieren kann und im Rahmen der Vereinbarung, die wir getroffen haben, in der Lage sein wird, einen guten Warenverkehr zwischen Großbritannien und Nordirland zu gewährleisten und gleichzeitig einen sicheren Einbezug von Nordirland in die Europäische Union, was ja ein besonderes Privileg ist.
Irish Prime Minister Michael Martin also warned Britain against its unilateral breach of post-Brexit trade rules for Northern Ireland. He said that unilateral breach of the protocol is very serious, an international deal ratified by British Parliament and approved by the Prime Minister. Meanwhile, the Democratic Unionist Party of Northern Ireland has also said that it will only move to restore Northern Ireland's regional parliament if it is sure that UK's proposal will turn into a law. The party had blocked the restoration of Northern Ireland's power-sharing administration after an election last month, saying it would not facilitate the Regional Assembly sitting until all checks or planned post-Brexit checks on goods moving from Britain to Northern Ireland are removed. While the parties which criticised London's approach wrote a letter to Prime Minister Boris Johnson. The letter, signed by 52 of the region's 90 lawmakers, says, "We reject in the strongest possible terms your government's reckless new protocol legislation, which flies in the face of the expressed wishes of not just most businesses, but most people in Northern Ireland." End of quote. The turmoil was a result of Britain's bid to modify Northern Ireland Protocol, despite receiving massive backlash from various nations. Prime Minister Boris Johnson called the move a relatively trivial step to improve trade and reduce bureaucracy. The Britain's bill allows domestic laws to override Brexit treaty that was inked just 2 years ago. It ends the role of European court in enforcing the protocol. The bill aims at creating tax-free green lane for Northern Ireland-bound goods and removing friction at Irish seaports. It further restricts EU's control over state aid and value-added tax in the region, while allowing businesses to choose between rules laid by the EU or the British government. The critics of the bill claim that it breaks international laws and rips apart the Brexit treaty. In addition to that, Clause 15 of the bill gives ministers powers to amend other parts of the Northern Ireland Protocol that they think doesn't suit the country's economy or even the society. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.